Hello dear students, in this video we are going to see limit topic exercise 7.4, that is on trigonometric functions. So this exercise is based on trigonometric functions. Here we are using sine theta, limit theta or x tends to 0, sine x upon x, yes, sin x upon x, this limit is equal to 1, where this x is measured in radian. Okay, this x is measured in what? Radian. So we are using this formula. See here, we are using this formula. Limit x tends to 0, sin x upon x, that is equal to 1. So let us attempt exercise 7.4, question number 1. Here remember, limit x tends to 0, sin kx upon kx is equal to also 1, where k is what? Constant, and x is measured in what? Radian. So let us attempt this question. Here limit x tends to limit theta tends to 0, sin of m theta upon tan of n theta, m theta, and this is what? n theta. So this is equal to limit theta tends to 0, sin m theta upon theta. We are dividing by theta, multiplying by theta over here. Theta is tan of n theta. So what we required here, listen, we required here n, so multiply by n. Here we required what? N, so multiply by n. Now as we have multiplied here by n, so divide by n and multiply by n. Yes. So this n is multiplied here in the denominator, numerator. N is multiplied in the numerator and denominator. Now see this limit x tends to 0, kx upon tan kx is equal to what? 1. Tan kx upon kx, limit is equal to 1. So therefore, see this limit is equal to limit theta tends to 0, sin of m theta upon n theta into limit theta tends to 0, n theta upon tan of n theta, and here this m upon n is constant. Yes, m upon n is constant. So this limit is equal to 1, this limit is equal to 1, and m upon n. So yes, your answer will be what? What is the answer? M upon n. Now we do next question. Next question is limit theta tends to 0. See here, limit theta tends to 0, 1 minus limit theta tends to 0, 1 minus cos of 2 theta upon theta square. So yes, how to evaluate this limit? Here 1 minus cos 2 theta, we will write it as here limit theta tends to 0, 1 minus cos 2 theta, we will write 2 sin square theta. Okay, it is 2 sin square theta. See, 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos 2 theta, that is equal to what? 2 sin square theta, and upon theta square is there, so this will be equal to 2 times limit theta tends to 0, sin theta. So this 2 we are taking outside, sin theta upon theta whole square. and this limit is 1, so it will be 2 into 1, that is equal to 2. Yes. Next question. So we'll do the next one. Next question is question number 3. Limit x tends to 0 x tan x upon 1 minus cos x. यहाँ पे हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 1 plus cos x. We will multiply by 1 plus cos x to numerator and denominator. Yes. Now what is this 1 minus cos x and 1 plus cos x? It is 1 minus cos square x. So this will be limit x tends to 0, x tends to 0, x tan x upon this 1 minus cos x, 1 plus cos x, 1 minus cos square x into this 1 plus cos x, as it is 1 plus cos x. So you can take limit over here, limit x tends to 0, limit x tends to 0 cos x, that is equal to what? 1. So this is limit x tends to 0 x tan x, and 1 minus cos square x will write sin square x into, taking limit over here, it is 1 plus 1, then this tan x will write sin x upon cos x, limit x tends to 0 x sin x upon cos x, and see this sin square x into 2. This is equal to limit 2 is constant, this is 2 is constant, right? Limit x tends to 0. Now one sin x is getting cancelled over here, sin x, एक sin x cancel होगा, so here it will be x upon sin x into 1 upon cos x. This will cos x in the denominator, so it is, this limit will be equal to what? It is, this limit is 1 and this is again cos x limit is what? 1. So 2 into 1 into 1 upon 1, and which is equal to 2 is the answer. Next question. See, we did this third one. Fourth question. Fourth question is limit x tends to 0 sec x minus 1 upon x square, upon what? X square. So here if we multiply by sec x plus 1, if we multiply by sec x plus 1 to numerator and denominator, sec x plus 1 we multiply by to numerator and denominator. So this is limit x tends to 0 a minus b a plus b, that will give us sec square x minus 1 upon this x square into 1 upon this sec x plus 1 as it is. Now 1 plus tan square x is sec square x minus 1 is equal to what? Tan square x. See here, this sec square x minus 1 is equal to what? Tan square x. So let's write it, limit x tends to 0, this is tan square x upon x square into 1 upon, taking limit over here, sec x, limit x tends to 0, limit x tends to 0 sec of x is equal to what? 1, because limit x tends to 0 cos x is 1, so sec x is reciprocal of it. We are taking limit over here, 1 plus 1 it is. Then limit x tends to 0, limit x tends to 0, it is tan x upon x whole square into 1 by 2. Now this tan x upon x limit is 1, it is 1 by 2 is the answer. Okay, now we do next question. Here limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos nx upon 1 minus cos mx. So here limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2, so it is 2 sin square nx by 2, nx by 2, and this is 2 sin square mx by 2, mx by 2. So clearly this 2 is getting cancelled over here, and it is limit x tends to 0, sine of nx by 2, nx by 2 upon sine of mx by 2 whole square. So what we can write now, limit x tends to 0, this is equal to limit x tends to 0, sine nx by 2 divided by x multiply by x sine mx by 2 whole square. This is equal to limit x tends to 0, limit x tends to 0. So what is required over here, sine of nx upon 2 and here nx upon 2 into here mx upon 2 sine of mx upon 2. This 2 is already getting cancelled, here m, here n, so we multiply by n and m. So here we multiply by n and m whole square. So the same step we'll write next thing, and it is limit x tends to 0, this will be limit x tends to 0, sine of nx upon 2 divided by nx upon 2 mx upon 2 upon sine of mx upon 2, and this is what n upon m we have multiplied here, so it is n square by m square and whole square. So this limit is 1, see here clearly this limit is 1 and this limit is also 1, and what is this, n square upon m square. So you are getting answer what, n square upon m square. So simple. Next question. We'll do the next question. Here, question number 2. Question number 2. This is what limit x tends to, see here, cot square will write cosec square x minus 1. So it is limit x tends to pi by 6, okay, 2 minus cosec x upon this cot square will write cosec square x minus 1, cosec square x minus 1, and this minus 1. Then This minus sign take common from the numerator. We'll take minus sign common from the numerator. Limit x tends to pi by 6. We are taking minus sign common from the numerator. Then we'll be getting here minus sign taking common from here. It is cosec x minus 2, and denominator is what? Cosec square x minus 1 and minus 3, it is minus 4. So a square minus b square form, it is limit x tends to pi by 6. Minus sign is there, minus of cosec x minus 2 upon denominator is what? Cosec x minus 2 and cosec x plus 2. Then we cancel this cosec x minus 1 minus 2. Cosec x minus 2 we cancel, and here it is limit x tends to pi by 6. Limit x tends to pi by 6 minus 1 upon cosec x plus 2. Now take limit over here. So if we take limit here, it is limit. So after taking limit here, यहाँ पे आप लिमिट लेंगे. So what we'll get, taking limit here, minus 1 upon cosec of pi by 6 plus 2. Now sin pi by 6, sin 30 degrees 1 by 2, cosec 30 degrees what? 2. So it is minus of 2 plus 2, it is minus of 1 by 4 is the answer. So answer of this question is this, minus of 1 by 4. It is minus of 1 by 4. We attempt now next question. Limit x tends to pi by 4. See here, limit x tends to pi by 4. Yes, limit x tends to pi by 4. What is it? Cos x minus sin x upon cos 2x. Cos 2x. So we evaluate this. Here we know cos 2x we can write as limit x tends to pi by 4. Cos x minus sin x upon cos 2x, will write cos square x minus sin square x. Okay, now cos x a square minus b square will give us a plus b, a minus b. Limit x tends to pi by 4. Okay, cos x minus sin x upon, this is cos x minus sin x, cos x minus sin x, and into cos x plus sin x. Yes, cos x plus sin x. So what we can cancel over here, ये cancel कर सकते हैं हम, cos x minus sin x, cos x minus sin x, and we'll be getting here limit x tends to pi by 4. Okay, 1 upon cos x plus sin x. You know cos of pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, and sin of pi by 4 is also 1 by root 2. So we are taking limit over here, cos of pi by 4 plus sin of pi by 4. Okay, and this is equal to 1 upon 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2, which is 1 upon 2 by root 2, which is 1 upon root 2. This 2 is getting, root 2 is getting cancelled. So your answer will be this, 1 upon root 2. वी अटेम्प्ट दिस क्वेश्चन। इस क्वेश्चन में हमको फैक्टराइजेशन फार्मूला यूज करना है। लिमिट x टेंड्स टू 0, ओके, cos c minus cos d it is equal to minus of 2 sin c plus d upon 2, that is ax plus bx upon 2 into sin cos c minus cos d is equal to minus 2 sin c plus d upon 2 into sin c minus d upon 2, that is ax minus bx upon 2. So it is c minus d upon 2, and this is, if you take minus sign common from here, so it gives 1 minus cos cx. 1 minus cos cx you can write as 2 times sin square cx upon 2. Taking minus sign common from here, denominator 1 minus cos cx, 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2. Now this minus 2 and this minus 2 is getting cancelled, and what is getting now here, limit x tends to 0, sine of a plus b upon 2x sine of a minus b upon 2x upon sine square of cx upon 2. Then here we divide by x square, numerator and denominator को हम divide करेंगे x square से, so it gives us limit x tends to 0, sine of a plus b upon 2x डिवाइडेड बाय x, यहाँ पे लिखेंगे हम a प्लस बी अपॉन 2x इंटू साइन ऑफ a माइनस बी अपॉन 2x, यहाँ पे भी हम लिखेंगे a माइनस बी अपॉन 2x, देन here upon, listen here, upon this sin square, so यहाँ पे x square मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे because this x and this x, and sin square of cx upon 2, sin square of cx upon 2. Yes students, we have multiplied here a plus b upon 2, a minus b upon 2. So here we multiply by a plus b upon 2 into a minus b upon 2. ये multiply करेंगे. X square का no problem, that x square here multiplied. Then here we require what? C by 2 whole square. So c square by 4 is multiplied here. यहाँ पे भी आपको c square by 4 multiply करना होगा. Okay, then what we can cancel here? ये 2 and this 2 and this 4 is getting cancelled, and this limit will be equal to what? It is of the form ये a plus b, a minus b will give us a square minus b square. तो ये हम आगे लिखते हैं. So we are writing it a square minus b square upon this c square, upon c square, limit x tends to 0, yes, limit x tends to 0, limit x tends to 0 of sine a plus b upon 2x upon a plus b by 2x into sine a minus b upon 2x upon a minus b upon 2x into cx upon 2 by sin cx upon 2 whole square. So all these limits are what? 1. Sin kx upon kx, sin kx upon kx. This limit is equal to what? 1. And finally you will be getting answer a square minus b square upon c square. Yes. So a square minus b square upon c square will be the. In this question we rationalize numerator because numerator is irrational. So rationalize it. Limit x tends to pi. Limit x tends to pi. Rationalize the numerator. Multiplying by its conjugate. Root of 1 minus cos x minus root 2 and multiplied by same, that is root of 1 minus cos x plus root 2, conjugate of that, upon sin square x into root of 1 minus cos x plus root 2. Yes. A minus b, a plus b. So it is limit x tends to pi. A minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square, that is 2, upon sin square x will write 1 minus cos square x. Sin square x will write 1 minus cos square x. And here for this we can take limit. लिमिट ले सकते हैं आप इधर 1 माइनस कॉस ऑफ पाई. लिमिट इज पाई, एक्स इज टेंडिंग टू पाई, इट इज रूट 2. लिमिट लिया है आप फॉर दिस टाइप. देन फॉर दिस विल टेक लिमिट 1 माइनस 2, इट इज व्हाट? लिसन, it is 1 minus 2 minus 1, and we'll be getting here, see, we'll be getting here okay. So we'll be getting here limit x tends to pi, okay, minus 1 minus cos x upon, this is 1 minus cos x and 1 plus cos x, okay, into 1 upon cos of pi is equal to what? Cos of pi is equal to minus 1. So this will be root of 1 minus of minus 1, it is 1, and plus root 2. Yes. Now this we solve. Limit x tends to pi, limit x tends to pi, minus sign common from here, 1 plus cos x upon 1 plus cos x, and see 1 minus cos x into 1 upon this root 2 and root 2, it is 2 root 2, and this is getting cancelled here. 1 plus cos x, 1 plus cos x is getting cancelled, and we'll be getting here, we'll take limit over here, 1 minus 1 upon 1 minus cos of pi into 1 upon 2 root 2. Now cos of pi is minus 1, so it is minus of 1, minus of minus 1 will be plus 1 into 1 upon 2 root 2, and finally we'll be getting minus of 1 upon 4 root 2 is the answer. So here we'll show here, see here, 1 minus 1 upon 4 root 2 is the answer. Next question. We'll solve this question. Yes students, third question, limit x tends to pi by 4, okay, tan square x minus cot square x, sec x minus cosec x. So we know tan square x, 1 plus tan square is equal to 1 plus tan square x is equal to what? Sec square x. So tan square x we can write sec square x minus 1, and cot square x will write what? Cosec square x minus 1. So this is limit x tends to pi by 4 Here tan square will write sec square x minus 1 and minus cot square x will write cosec square x minus 1 upon sec x minus cosec x. Sec x minus cosec x. Yes. Here this 1 is getting cancelled. This minus of minus 1 will be plus 1 and it is getting cancelled. Limit x tends to pi by 4 sec square x minus cosec square x minus cosec square x, and here denominator is sec x minus cosec x. Okay, sec x minus cosec x. Then we'll be getting here limit x tends to pi by 4, limit x tends to pi a square minus b square a minus b, that is sec x minus cosec x into sec x plus cosec x plus cosec x upon, see denominator as it is will write sec x minus cosec x. Okay, so what we can cancel here, इसमें से हम क्या cancel कर सकते हैं, sec x minus cosec x cancel करेंगे. So what we get, limit x tends to pi limit x tends to pi by 4 it is. Here limit x tends to pi by 4. So limit x tends to pi by 4 sec of x plus cosec of x. Taking limit over here, इसमें limit लेंगे हम. So what limit sec pi by 4 and cos pi by cosec pi by 4. Here we'll take limit sec pi by 4 and cosec pi by 4. It is cosec pi by 4. You know sec pi by 4, that is cos of 45 degree is 1 by root 2, so sec will be root 2 and it is root 2 plus root 2, which is equal to 2 root 2. Yes students, so in this video we took almost questions from the 7.4 exercise. Thank you for watching this video.